In this Excel video tutorial, we're going to go through the comparison operators that are built into Microsoft Excel. There are 6 of these, which include greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. What these allow you to do is to compare two different numbers or sources of data to see whether or not they meet these different conditions. So in essence, what we want to do here is to compare a number we're going to enter into this side with a number that's already been entered in on the right side, which is 10 for each of these operations. And then the result is going to tell us whether that operation is in fact true. So right now we can see that since there's no entry, this is essentially equal to 0. We're checking whether 0 is greater than 10, which of course it's not, so it's just showing up as false. Now if we change the comparison value in the front of the equation to 11, now we can see that it correctly updates to showing that this operation is true. And then for less than, if we enter in 9, the value remains true because previously it was assuming this was a 0. But if we change that to a number bigger than 10, then we can see it updates to false. Greater than or equal to is going to check if the number is equal to 10 or greater. So if I enter in a number lower than 10, it's going to stay false. If I enter 10 exactly, it'll switch to true. And if I enter a number bigger than 10, it'll also remain true. Then the opposite holds true for less than or equal to. If I enter 10, it'll remain true. If I enter a number lower than 10, it'll stay true. And if I put in a number bigger than 10, it'll change to false. And then equal to is a simple one. If it's equal to the other numbers being compared with, then it will stay true. But if it's any other number, even if it's only off by a small fraction, it'll change to false. And the last one is not equal to. So any number that is not equal to 10 will make this result in a true outcome. So if I set it equal to 10, it will be false because 10 is in fact equal to 10. But if we do any other number, then it will remain as true. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.